Using your Afterpay card in store is a convenient and easy process. First, ensure you have the Afterpay card linked to your account and that you have available funds. To start, locate the store where you want to make a purchase and check if they accept Afterpay. You can do this by looking for the Afterpay logo at the store entrance or by asking the sales associate. Once you have found the item you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout counter and let the sales associate know you would like to pay using Afterpay. They will then ring up your purchase and ask you to swipe or insert your Afterpay card. If you are using a digital Afterpay card, you can add it to your mobile wallet and use it to make contactless payments. Simply open your mobile wallet, select your Afterpay card, and tap your device on the payment terminal. After you have made the payment, the sales associate will ask you to confirm the purchase amount and the payment schedule. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Your purchase will then be split into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders and notifications when your payments are due, and you can log into your Afterpay account to track your payment schedule and available balance. To avoid late fees, make sure to make your payments on time. You can do this by setting up automatic payments or by making manual payments through the Afterpay app. Using your Afterpay card in store is a great way to budget and manage your expenses. By following these steps and using your Afterpay card responsibly, you can enjoy the convenience of shopping now and paying later. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your Afterpay account and to only spend what you can afford to repay. By doing so, you can make the most of your Afterpay card and enjoy a seamless shopping experience.